Hey guys, I'm AnnaMarie at Baby Creek, and I'm going to show you how to do a garlic braid. So right now I'm going to clean off just the dead parts of it so it looks nicer and keeps longer. There we go. I've got a pile here of ones that have already been cleaned. And these were picked this morning. We picked them and then we washed them off, let them dry out a little bit. Some people do braid theirs after they've dried out, but we're gonna braid them green today. Okay, so before I'm gonna start braiding, I'm gonna clip the ends of all of these just to get the roots off. Okay, so I've gotten them all cleaned off, and so one of the reasons you can braid is for, display. Like if you're gonna have garlic in your kitchen, then you want it to look neat. And also, if you are a market farmer, if you sell garlic braids, people will more than likely be very interested in them just because it looks so neat, and you don't see them a lot, especially if you've got a long big one. And people also braid flowers, dried flowers, lavender, straw flowers, whatever into them. So to start, I'm going to be doing a 3-stranded braid. So you're going to get a bigger clove and then 2 smaller ones, bigger bulb. So your bigger ones will be going through the middle and your smaller ones will be on the side. So I'm just going to set them like this, tie them together. Okay, so I'm going to take a bigger clove right here, and it doesn't really matter what side you want to use, whichever one you think looks better. I'm going to go with that one. Just put it right there in the middle, and then I'm going to start with my right strand and cross it over. You're going to want to do this pretty tight just so they hold, because they can come loose. So there we go. Okay, then I'm going to take a smaller one, put it on this side, cross that over. I'm going to take another small one on this side, make sure they're nice and tight, and cross this side over. I think I'm about ready to end it. I'm just going to cross them over a couple more times, nice and tight, making sure they hold. Okay. And you can braid this up as far as you like or as far as you are able. This is where you really get to get creative with the stems. So I'm just going to braid it to there. Get some more of this. Go. Pull tightly on that. Okay, now some people will trim their tops Just take scissors and cut across it. If you like it like this, you can certainly leave it like that. If you're going to hang it, you can get another string, tie a loop on the back right here. Of course, the more garlic you put on, the heavier it is, so that's something to take into consideration. But there you have a pretty simple, basic 3-strand garlic braid.